In this session, I'm going to discuss how to assign multiple variables in Python programming with the help of suitable example. As you can see, Python is too flexible and which allows you to assign values to multiple variables in a single line. For example, as you can observe, A, B, C are variable. You can use A, comma, B, comma, C that is equal to integer 1, 2, 3. That means 1 is assigned in A, then 2 is assigned in B, and 3 is assigned in C. Now I'll be just showing you how to make out this. Okay. Now let's go back to Jupyter Notebook and I'll be sharing with a new file as you can observe. So let me work out the coding, how to do multiple variable assignment in Python. So kindly check it up here. So I'm going to type the code a comma b comma c equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now what I will do is print a or display display a, then display b, and display c. So let me run the program. Yes, you can see a will be equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. Like that, you can assign the multiple variables in Python. So let me know if you have any queries. If the video is suitable for you, kindly share with your friends. And if you are watching my channel first time, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this session. Thank you.